Hi, it's Liz here from the Herb Guide, showing you how to make the famous Madeleine Tomato Basil Soup. They gave this recipe away in a copycat book before they became hugely popular. Lucky us, because it's really tasty, creamy and incredibly simple to make. You'll need 1 can of chopped peeled tomatoes, 1 pack of passata or tomato juice and some fresh basil. The basil here is frozen and there's a link in the box below showing you how to do it. In addition, you'll need some black pepper, butter and cream. Empty your tomato and passata into the saucepan. Simmer for around 30 minutes, adding the basil leaves for the last 2 minutes or so just to wilt. You can use a teaspoon of dried basil if you have no fresh. Using a stick blender, process the soup until it's smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can use a sieve and push the tomato mixture through with the back of a spoon. Add a few twists of black pepper, the butter and the cream. Stir until it's all combined and reheat. Don't allow it to boil now or it might curdle and split. Serve in bowls with fresh crusty bread. This is gorgeous. It's a lot cheaper than buying tins of ready-made soup and so much tastier. I hope you found the video useful. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Come visit me at the Herb Guide and let me take the mystery out of herbs for you. Thanks for watching.